Hello there guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Gogo Skhotheni went to DJ Spoo's podcast, The Hustle Corner, to talk all things spirituality, because whether we like it or not, life is also in the spiritual realms, you guys. Gogo Skhotheni revealed that ever since she started her Zangoma journey, that she has initiated over 130 Amatosane, you guys, and that at the moment she currently has over 20 initiates, you guys. Gogo Skhotheni further mentioned that she was a Christian growing up and that she was given a title of a prophetess because she had the ability to see things that were happening in people's lives, you guys. And as a result, her pastor gave her a slot in her church to prophesy people abantu, you guys. Gogo Skhotheni revealed that she had to accept her spiritual calling after her grandfather came to visit her in her dreams several times, and that at first she refused to accept the calling because she was at the time a Christian, you guys, but eventually gave in to her calling. She said that ever since she accepted her calling, that she has managed to help a lot of people, and that it wasn't herself alone, but Amadlozi did that, you guys, and that she sometimes look at the people that he has healed and ask herself how she did that, you guys. Now, Gogo Skhotheni mentioned something very controversial, you guys, on that interview, that 70% of the people who comes to her comes for bad things like witchcraft, ukuloya. She said that most of them comes to her because they want to bewitch their family members, a friend, or even curse them so that their lives becomes stagnant. And that others come to her to twala so that they can become rich, you guys. She also revealed that she becomes overwhelmed by what people are asking of her, which most of the times is evil, and that she sometimes finds herself undecided. She said that even though she does perform these evil deeds, her clients ask of her, she explains to them the repercussions that if you perform ukuloya to enrich yourself, in the process you will lose your family members. Other people telling her to go ahead with the procedure. Because they just want to see themselves rich and that they don't care who they lose in the process, you guys. Now, what I loved, you guys, is the fact that when Gogo Skhotheni said that we should not visit the Sangoma when we are desperate and going through the most, because most of the Sangomas have a tendency of taking advantage of the weak and vulnerable, you guys. So to watch the rest of the interview, please watch the Hustle Corner podcast on YouTube with a DJ Spoo. Also, do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and also comment. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.